Hi everyone and welcome. This is gonna be a guide on how to install the admin web panel. Basically this is all you need to do. It's right here. It's in the description as well. You might as well open it right now when you start following the guide, because that's what I'm just gonna do. I'm just gonna show you how to follow this really simply. So, without too much talking or doing really anything, if you have the web panel, I uploaded a new version. In it, you will find this. Wait, what is this? I don't know. Close it. All right. In this, you will find a new version, web panel, NGINX. Now, this guide is going to show you how to run the web panel on NGINX, Warp from Cloudflare, and PHP. You can run it with a custom domain. There is a guide in the docs on how to add your custom domain to NGINX and to uh, basically just to NGINX, not to anything else. I wasn't gonna do it for anything else because I don't want to. So if you have any questions on how to edit it or something else, just open a ticket. I will help you, obviously. But in the docs, you will have for NGINX how to add the custom domain, which is recommended to buy a domain for this web panel, because using Warp every time that a server will restart, the admin panel domain will change. So, for example, when I restart my VPS, it's gonna be one time this one, and then the next thing is gonna be, I don't know, this one. So it's basically going to change every restart, and you need to tell your admins this is the new domain. So you need to send them that and just a little bit of work, but your VPS should restart every 2 days, so it should be fine for most people. But if your VPS crash a lot, you should be needing to buy a domain. It's a really good option for you. Or you can use some other tool that I might don't know about, because I've checked really hard. I couldn't find any free tool that lets you give a permanent domain and security. But this one does give it with a temporary domain, which is also worth it. So basically, we do like you can also run this on XAMPP. I didn't only and then Grok. I didn't remove the old versions. And you also have another folder, a zip folder inside, which you're gonna see web panel, XAMPP, and Grok or something. I don't know right there. Basically, XAMPP and Grok are both used mainly in development, and that's why I don't recommend on using them right now. But you can if you want to, because XAMPP installation is really installation, I think. No, it's really easy. Just go to XAMPP, just goes to htdocs, right over here. Where is htdocs? Right here. You just throw the admin panel right here, the version. You start Apache. You just go right here. You do localhost 80 Peleg admin panel. You're gonna do index.php, and then you're just good to go. You can also use the front end slash the public slash index.html, which should just redirect to as well to the PHP. Everything should just work fine. Uh, but I don't recommend it. Just if you want 100% security, this one is better. Just to let you guys know, I also updated the password to be hashed. I kind of forgot to remove it from development because the development I wanted to see the passwords were saving okay and everything was fine. So I didn't hash them, but right now they are hashing and everything is secure in the new update I just uploaded. So let's start with the guide right now. After all the talk and everything, well, the first thing you're really gonna do is run this one. You're just gonna open PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. You're gonna open it a lot today. So get to know this one. You can also install everything in here in Linux. You can do it in Linux. This is just not the guide for Linux. I will upload the guide for Linux later. Because I do need to reinstall Linux on my system. I used to have Linux and Windows both, but right now I don't, so I need to reinstall Linux to show the guide, because I won't buy a server to show the guide. So yeah, I would just wait. Right, so you're gonna copy this one, just click enter. It's gonna install it. You're gonna wait until it installs it, and then just close it. This is the first step. You're done. Let's go to the next one. You're gonna want to install PHP, which is right here. This link. You're gonna enter it right here. You're gonna click download. And then you're going to install the first one right here, VS17 x64 non-thread safe. You're going to click right here on the zip. It's going to install. While it installs, you want to go right here to this one. You're gonna go to disk C or wherever you have. As you say, do have Linux, just doesn't work. I need to reinstall it. Yeah. All right. So you're gonna open this folder that just installs for you, to install for you. You're gonna take all its content and you're gonna paste it into a new folder you're gonna create right here and call it PHP. You're gonna create a new folder, call it PHP, and then paste it right here, all the content into this folder. As you can see, I've already done that. So yeah, you just gotta do this. It's very simple. After you do so, you want to run these two commands in PowerShell. You're gonna open it, you're gonna run it, and after you do, this is just gonna copy PHP ini production to PHP ini, and then open it, and you're just gonna save it and open it in Notepad. You're just gonna save it and close Notepad, and then you're done with all of this. Now we're gonna move to the less complicated. I think it's gonna be the more simple. I don't know, just like installing shit. So you're gonna install Cloudflare stable right here. This link. You're gonna open it. As you can see, I've already opened everything because I don't know, just open everything. You're gonna install it. As you can see, I already have it installed. If I go, no, I do not have it installed here. I don't know why. Fine, I'll just wait until it's installed. All right, you're gonna open it, and then you're gonna click next, and then you're gonna just install it. For me, it's gonna show it shows repair and change because I already have it. But you're just gonna click next, 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 next. Once you do it, you're gonna have Cloudflare on your system. Then you're gonna go to the second link right here. Open it. Click on whatever fits you. If you're on Linux, you're gonna click on this one. If you're on Windows, you're gonna click on this one. So just click on it, and now we have NGINX. Now I'm just gonna delete my current one because I believe you guys want to see how to do it. Because no, I can't. I need to close it. All right. So I just imagine I deleted it. I need to delete. I deleted it. So yeah, let's just show you how to do it. You're gonna go right here. You're gonna rename it. You're gonna remove the version, and you're gonna leave only NGINX in the folder name. Once you do, click enter, and then just you get the renamed folder. You're gonna drag it into a disk C folder. Make sure this is disk C because the entire guy is basically just uses C. If you don't use disk C, change it to whatever disk you do use and your path to work properly. You're gonna drag and drop this right here. This is gonna have this folder inside. Now you're gonna open the conf folder inside NGINX, and then you're gonna go to the NGINX conf. We're gonna open it in Notepad just for simplicity. Then you see here change NGINX config. You're just gonna copy everything from here until you're gonna see the last bracket, the last curly bracket. You're just gonna paste, Control V, and then you're done. As simple as it gets. That's all. Now we're just gonna run a few commands and then everything will work. So yeah, let's just start. You're gonna go ahead and copy the first command, open CMD for it. Enter. You're gonna keep this one running. You're gonna open another CMD. You're gonna right here paste this one and then click enter, and then you can just close this one. This is just done. Now for the third one, you wanna go ahead and open PowerShell. Right this one. You're gonna paste it. Make sure this is the correct path. For Cloudflare, you can find it just by looking Cloudflare in your disk C. You will probably find it. Adjust the path. If it's different for you, just make sure it's correct. I don't use the Cloudflare because some systems have a problem with writing Cloudflare in the CMD. Also mine, like it's kind of broken. So I just use this all the time for anything, even for Python. I just gotta use this, like the path to run it. So yeah, you're just gonna click enter. You're gonna leave it like this. It's just gonna run. Now, as you can see here, you're gonna see like plus, minus, 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 plus, yeah, a lot of shit. You're just gonna open on this link. You're just gonna copy it, right? This. I'm gonna copy it, we're gonna paste it, and there we go, we have a website. This is all you gotta do. As you can see, everything is working 100%. I can log in with my password pretty easily. Everything in here, the data, everything just shows out perfectly. The name, the themes, everything just works. Simple as it gets. This is it. So, I will add more features to the admin. I did promise that in the customer chat. If you want to get the update and you didn't get the update yet, and you did buy Peleg admin, I changed the FX script in the portal, so you need to get a new one. So open a ticket so I can give you out if you did buy it. So just open a ticket, write your name, like your CF, your keymaster username or portal, I don't know, whatever it is. You're just gonna write it and then send the receipt to the admin panel, and I just give it to you, and I will just give it to you if you did end up buying it, if you did buy it. So hey guys, have a good day, and I really hope I did help you. And for any further support or anything, don't hesitate. You can just open a ticket. If you have questions, even if you don't have own the admin, and you want to ask questions about its protection, how protected is it, anything, you can just open a ticket in my Discord server that is down below, and I will give you support, full support.